Hey, guys, in this video, I'm trying to tell you how to install IPTV Smarters Pro on mobile. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First, you need to open the Downloader app. After opening the Downloader app, click on Search put that code that I put. 298,344. After this, wait for 5 seconds. Then you will see many apps. You just need to scroll down and look for IPTV Smarters Pro. Then click on it and install it. And click on Login with Extreme Codes API. After that, you will need a username and password to add your playlist. If you can't have, then contact me. I will provide you. Thanks for watching, and if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp.